Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify job market trends with Glassdoor, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the website address for Glassdoor. Once the page loads, locate the search bar at the top. Enter the job title or industry you want to research. You can also select a specific location to narrow your results. Click on the search icon to view the results. On the results page, explore the job listings available. To verify trends, focus on the Salaries tab below the search bar. Here, you'll find salary information for the selected job title. Analyze the salary ranges provided to understand averages. Next, navigate to the company reviews section. Read through employee experiences to gain insights into company culture. Pay attention to overall ratings and specific feedback. Now, look for the job trends feature on the site. This section shows how job openings have changed over time. Use this data to identify increasing or decreasing demand for the role. For a broader perspective, check the Trends tab under Jobs. This area reveals trends related to various industries. Compare job trends over different periods to spot patterns. You can also explore regional trends for more localized insights. Next, utilize the interview section for additional context. Read about candidates' experiences during the hiring process. Look for common questions and overall interview difficulty. After gathering your data, compile your findings. Summarize key salary trends and job demand shifts. Consider making notes on cultural insights from employee reviews. Finally, use this comprehensive data to inform your job search strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.